Everyone, hope all is well. So the video is going to be on a well-known comedian Major I. 4 days ago, which was November the 22nd, 2020, he shared two pics on his Instagram, which one looked like he was about to do an MRI, and then people were wondering what's going on with him, and he was saying pray for him, etc. No, he did Instagram live explaining that he suffered from a mild heart attack and giving you more info on what took place. So continue on to the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or you don't have to do. Just the way you need for the YouTube concern. And on to the video.
I did not have COVID. You know what I'm saying? But what I did have was a mild heart attack. It's very serious, people. That you take care of yourself, take care of your health. Let me say this, right? People, learn not to stress over nothing. Stress over nothing. Life is short. Life is short. Stress over nothing. I don't care how bad you think things are. Somebody else have it worse. Stress over nothing. You understand what I'm saying? If something is stressing you out, remove it from your life. Remove it. Remove it. Remove it. I don't care if it's a car. I don't care if it's a high rent bill. I don't care what it is. Voice, big up yourself, Voicey. But I had a mild heart attack. I was in the house. I was in the house and I started throwing up in the kitchen. I was throwing up in the kitchen, and when I got up from throwing up, I felt dizzy and passed out. My kids called the ambulance for me, and when the ambulance came, they did an EKG on me right away. When they did the EKG, right, they said that my heart rate was a little funny and they need to bring me to the hospital. On the way to the ambulance, on my way to the hospital and everything, me and the guy was talking, and he was just like, what's going on with you? Like, you're young. Why is this happening? Da, 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 da. And I'm just telling him, like, I just been stressing a lot of things. A lot of things hasn't been going my way. A lot of things hasn't been right. So I just been stressing certain things. You know what I'm saying? And he was like, yo, you gotta chill. You know what I'm saying? This year has been a difficult year for everybody, for a lot of people. And to be here right now and still be able to talk to you guys and still have a good vibe and a good energy, I think that's one of the most important things right now. You understand?